Hello, so this is a quick little demonstration video for the for connecting to the MongoDB database. So I'm just going to start here with my REST client ones. So here, when I test it here, I retrieve all the clients from the MongoDB database. If I click here, then here it's doing the same thing. However, it's getting it by the ID, like the assignment said it should. If I go to my render links, it does, the exact same thing, but here's, all the context for that one. And then if I just wanted the single ID one, then I can click on that one. And then I have my environment variables here, which has the string connecting to the database, which obviously will not be pushed to GitHub. But yeah, besides that, that is the demonstration video. Hope you enjoyed.